In today's video, we're going to be looking at the language settings in macOS. We can get this up by going to our system preferences and then clicking on language and region. From here, we can set our region. So as you can see, we've got loads of different options here, depending on where you're from. And you can set preferred languages on your keyboard too. So currently mine's set to UK, as I'm in the UK. However, I also have a Spanish one if I so need. And I can change my first day of the week, my calendar, Gregorian's the most common one, my temperature, and also how everything will be ordered in lists. So as you can see, universal is how it is for English, whereas in Spanish it might change. And obviously this will depend as well on which other languages you've got. From here we can also change our keyboard preferences. So as you can see, mine's set to the default American setout. And we've got British there, which is good. And then also from here we can check the more advanced options. And we can see what sterling we want, what we do for decimal, and all of these options, which will depend on how you want them, depending on where you live. Thanks for watching. Visit Kazzicom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365, and many more services.